Hi there, this is Caroline Sunga. Today I will be discussing about what is web hosting and how to set up your web hosting with AIOP or all-in-one profits. To make your website visible on the web, you need a web hosting account. You can choose what company you want to set up your web hosting. In this example, I will show you how to set up your hosting with all-in-one profit. Unless you're using a free blog site services like blogger.com or wix.com or weebly.com, then you don't need a web hosting. But if you're using WordPress.org, not the WordPress.com, okay? WordPress.org, then you will need a web hosting account. Okay, so before you can set up your web hosting with AIOP or any company that provides web hosting services, in the past video I showed you how to buy or acquire a domain name through Namecheap. If you have not seen that video, you can look for it. Okay? That's a different video tutorial or topic. Assuming you already bought your domain name, okay, so you go to allinOneprofits.com and log in. And then you go to Toolbox and go to Products. Go all the way and until you see this thing here. Click here to request your hosting account. Click that and it will take you to another page. Since I already set up my hosting account with the AIOP, this will show. But if I have not set up my hosting, they will ask for this wouldn't look like this. There will be a slot where you will be asked to put your domain name that you bought. Okay? So, okay, if you have any further questions and you still don't get the instructions, you can always contact them. Scroll down to the bottom. You can click this thing here on the bottom, contact support. You can click that and you send them a ticket. Usually they will answer you within 24 hours. Okay, so after you put your domain name in that slot where it asks you to put your domain name, after you submit it, it will show you the details of your web hosting. So I will go to my email. So I'll go to my email and check. So I have this email from All-in-One Profits about my hosting account. I click that, and it will show this message. Okay, these two are important. These are all important. So save this email somewhere. Okay, you can put them in a label like here. You can make a label with that or save that email. Okay, it says here my name server for your domain, and my website is the name of my website, and then I can log into nationalwealthcenter.pw.cpanel, and then my username and password. Okay, it says here we will set up your hosting account for you. Your account will be available within 24 hours. So right now you cannot go in here. You cannot log in there because it's not available, and you have to wait 24 hours. Remember, after 24 hours, you may now log in there, so you can set up your web hosting. So let us say you already bought a domain name for your control panel. Okay, or probably you already have a domain name registered. So you can sign in. You can go to Namecheap and sign in. Now I am gonna go to domain list. See, I gotta select. See, here is my my domain name here listed, right? Then you go down, you go under name servers, and then you go back to your email. You go back to your email and copy NS1, this, so forth. You're gonna copy this NS1 that and so forth.com. Okay, copy that, then go back to Namecheap and then put it here. Okay, I already put it here. I'm just showing you as an example. So, and then you go back to the email again, copy this, and copy it here. I already paste it here. Okay. Make sure you choose custom DNS. So this way, you are pointing your domain name nationalwealthcenter.pw to your web hosting. Okay, you guys, I saved that email and it looks like this. Okay, I'm gonna click that and it will show up the information of my web hosting account with with AIOP or All-in-One Profits. Okay? Now I am going to click this and it should be live online, okay? Because it's over 24 hours. So something like this, it will appear, okay? And then you put your username and your password. Go back to that email and see what is your username and password you created for your cPanel. This is AIOP or All-in-One Profits cPanel, okay? I'm going to log in.